Shiba Inu coin hits pre-pump levels. Oh my goodness, there's a little bit of a dip, and we've got to buy it. Guys, we're going to be talking about it in this video because a lot of negative news articles come out when the price of Shiba Inu coin or any cryptocurrency for that matter that people like is dropping in value. And one of the things that it does with that negative connotation is puts in investors' minds that, well, we might be in a negative situation right now. Maybe I should sell. Maybe things aren't going to recover. People are talking bad now. And no, don't do it. Don't fall victim to that level of mentality. We are here with the ultimate opportunity, the opportunity to buy ahead of the biggest cryptocurrency bull market that the world has ever seen. Don't forget, we've got a new administration set to take place in the next month. I would be glad if the government shut down for the next month. A lot of fear surrounding this looming government shutdown is driving prices lower. Jerome Powell spitting poison like he always does, driving recent prices lower. And they always bounce. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin in this video, but I do want to say one of the ways that you can alleviate some of the risk is to diversify. And if you haven't been diversifying into tiny little coins like Pepe Meme, absolutely check this one out. 2,477 holders so far. Fantastic pre-sale pricing that's going to lead to a lot of gains. And in fact, continued gains. Check this out. If you buy 10 Solana worth right now, that's worth about $1,800. On launch day, $8,700. Now, clearly, I believe people will be taking profit on launch day. So understand that you're probably going to see a pretty big red line as people go out there and take profit. But if that's you, man, turn $1,800 into $8,700. I mean, let's make some money. Don't sleep as it launches and let other people do it. Stay awake. Participate. You know, this type of price action demands profit. But if you guys want to see everything that they're building, you do have a link for them down in the description and the pinned comment. My favorite part of the entire thing, 537,000 followers, almost 538,000 followers out on their X account. These guys are building a community, and I believe community is the only way to run a meme coin. Without a community, you're not going to survive. And I believe that Shiba Inu coin has the biggest and strongest community in the entire meme coin game. Now, we can view this current price action as super negative, or we can view this current price action as a super buy opportunity. Imagine if they dropped the price of your favorite computer, or video game, or TV, or whatever you want. Imagine if they dropped the price by 30%. You're going to be excited. Imagine if they dropped the price by 50%. You would be extremely excited. Guys, why do we view everything else as a buy opportunity when the price is low, but a cry opportunity when the price of Shiba Inu coin is low? Think about that. You've got to view it the same way. You've got to view it as a buy opportunity. It says Shiba Inu coin has erased almost all of its gains made during the market recovery a month ago by retracing to pre-pump levels. Maybe, but not quite. Take a look at this. Shiba Inu coin is retraced to 2,200 points per coin. Pre-pump levels are down here at 1,000 points per coin. So I beg to differ that we are pre-pump levels right now. This is simply dating us back to the middle of November here. And I believe we have so much opportunity to bounce off and move higher. So yeah, we're down a little bit from where we were 2 weeks ago, but we are still doing very, very well from where we were 2 months ago. It says this retracement shows that the asset is open to additional declines as the bullish pattern from late November has fully faded. This steep decline has been attributed to a lack of buying pressure and waning enthusiasm among retail investors. Now, I don't think that the entire bullish pattern is over. Clearly, I mean, if you look at this graph, this is the graph they're showing you. It continues to hit higher highs, and it continues to hit higher lows. I mean, you can actually draw a line on both of these trends here. Look at it. If you draw a line from the higher highs being hit, perfect. Let it stick. Let it stick. Come on, get off there. And you can also draw a line from the higher lows being hit. We simply have an ascending channel. An ascending, essentially reverse wedge that's right here as it is expanding. And this is beautiful, guys, because what this means is that as we hit higher highs and higher lows, the volatility continues to increase. And all of a sudden now we're attracting both buy and hold investors and traders. I was going to say trade investors, but traders is what they are. Because as volatility increases, look at this. They can make if they just follow these simple lines here, 1,700 points per coin to 2,700 points per coin, nearly a 50% increase. Beautiful. Pulls back. Now all of a sudden they're going 2,000 points per coin to maybe 3,600 points per coin. An amazing 40% increase. The volatility that they have increasing along the way is going to attract many more traders, much more volume, and a lot of opportunity. Now, I view this as a positive. I reject viewing this as a negative. If you view this as a positive or an opportunity, you can use the KSEX exchange. This is by far the greatest meme coin exchange. They have regular coins as well, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, they get the biggest, but they have the best selection of meme coins I've seen in the United States. You can use this as an opportunity to buy on up to 100x leverage off the bottom line and sell or short off the top line as well. Same leverage if you guys would like. Leverage is risky, please understand that. Higher risk, higher reward. But check this out. If you're a new user, I believe it's through Christmas, but it might be through New Year's. So just sign up in the next couple of days if you want to. All it takes is your email. But then as you complete this, register an account, complete account information, $100, $100, 20, 10, 10, 20, 10, $200 for simply binding and sharing on your X account. I mean, dude, make that Christmas money. It does end pretty soon, though, so if you guys want to do it quick. Unix. I started accumulating on these guys maybe 2 weeks ago, and they have 125x leverage, down to 1x leverage, so they're a little bit more lenient. But starting Q1 of 2025, bot trading. Already going on, copy trading. So if leverage isn't your thing, you can come out, become a leader, and earn 10% of everybody else's money that follows you. We have so many incredible opportunities right now to make money in the cryptocurrency space. We cannot complain about a little decline. We cannot complain about Shiba Inu coin simply expanding its horizon and becoming more volatile. It is still rising and rising beautifully. Now, this is not a worrying pattern to me. We saw the pattern. It is continuing to move to the upside. If that gets broken, if all of a sudden we start to hit lower lows or drop back down below 1,000 points per coin, now that becomes worrying. The sharp sell-off accompanied by this spike in trading activity suggested that whales and large holders used the previous rally to sell off sizable chunks of their holdings. Okay, great. You know what they're going to do? Most likely off of this line that we're bouncing off of today, buy back in. These whales either became whales by buying and holding, or if they're trading the signals. And they're going to be selling this blue line up here and buying this blue line down here. So we can roll right along with them, expand that volatility, and make that money. That is what I choose to do. I am diversifying into everything that I can get my hands on, including Wall Street Pepe. Make sure to check that link out if you guys want. By far the biggest pre-sale I've bought into. But Shiba Inu coin as well. I don't shy away. I don't shy away from opportunity, and that is exactly what I am viewing this as. Opportunity to make money. I want to know how you guys are viewing it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.